National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Mason County, Robertson County, southeastern Bracken County until 9:15 p.m. At 8:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Brooksville, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Maysville, Washington, Aberdeen, Lewisburg, Brooksville, Mount Olivet, Germantown, Sardis, Murphysville, Eureka, Alhambra, Stonewall, Mayslick, Mitchell's Mill, Rectorville, Powersville, Peede, Helena, Hitchfield, and U.S. Route 62 at State Route 875. Flood advisory in effect until 9 p.m. this evening. What? Flooding caused by